Sivabalan and grade 3. I am studying Ramco Vidyalaya CBSE School, Dalavai, Ariyalur. Science experiment. My topic name is sink and floating. Why some objects are float on the water? I will explain. An object will float if it is less dense than the liquid it is blazing. Archimedes' law explains why some objects are float on the water. Why some objects are sink in the water? I will explain. An object will sink if it is more dense than the liquid it is blazing. I will explain why some objects are sink and floating. I have many objects. I will check one by one. I take a ball. Ball float on the water. I will take stem. Stem float on the water. I will take safety pin. Safety pin sink in the water. I will take needle. Needle sink in the water. I will take balloon. Balloon float on the water. I will take coconut oil. Coconut oil float on the water. I will take scale. Scale float on the water. I will take steel spoon. Steel spoon sink in the water. I will take plastic spoon. Plastic spoon float on the water. I will take key. Key sink in the water. I will take stone. Stone sink in the water. I will take plastic. Plastic float on the water. I will take paper. Paper float on the water. I will take small size wood. Wood float on the water. I will take rubber. Rubber sink in the water. I will take leaves. Leaves float on the water. I will check ice. Ice float on the water. Why ice is float on the water? I will explain. Ice is float on the water because ice is actually 9% less dense than the water. Since the water is heavier, it displaces the